Waxwings, members of the Bombacillae family, are renowned for their distinctive appearance and social behaviors. Species like the Bohemian waxwing, Bombacilla garrulus, and cedar waxwing, Bombacilla cedrorum, are notable for their silky plumage, crests, and unique wing markings. Found in North America, Europe, and Asia, these medium-sized birds exhibit red waxy tips on some wing feathers, a characteristic derived from their fruit-rich diet. Waxwings are highly sociable, forming large flocks, particularly during winter migrations, where their coordinated movements and melodious calls create a captivating spectacle. They are primarily frugivorous, consuming berries and fruits, contributing to seed dispersal in their ecosystems. Observing waxwings in flight or perched in trees provides a visual treat, highlighting their aesthetic appeal and ecological significance in various habitats.